Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I am going to show you are random ads automatically opening on your Android phone. May your browser suddenly open or unknown website will open on your phone screen suddenly when you are just using your phone normally. Random pop-up pages appear automatically. If you are facing this kind of problem, don't worry, in this video I will show you multiple ways to completely fix this issue. Let's start. First, you need to remove suspicious app from your phone. To remove these guys, you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out apps. Okay, in the apps you need to find out unknown app or cleaner app, battery saver app or free VPN app. If this kind of application was installed on your phone, you need to find out in this app list. Okay, if any app is showing, simply you need to open that app and then immediately you need to uninstall it from your phone. Many times this app secretly push ads in the background. That's why you will get random ads on your phone. Especially you need to find out unknown app. So if there is no app name is showing in this list, you need to open it and simply you need to uninstall it from your phone. Okay, like this. In this list, you need to completely scan this kind of app from the start to end and it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. In the phone settings, you need to search special permission, special access, or in some phone you can get display over the app. Just need to open this, check which app have this permission enabled. If you see unknown app in this list, you need to disable the app permission from here. This permission often allow app to show ads on top of your screen. That's why you need to disable it. And then you need to reset your browser also. Which browser you are using, you need to find that browser in the apps. I am using Google Chrome. Open it and then go to storage, clear the cache of this app and then go to manage storage, clear the data of this app. That's it. Now you need to remove unknown app install permission on your phone. In your phone settings, here you need to find out installed unknown app. Open it, then you need to disable it. That's it. And then you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, you need to try this method. Okay, now you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone like this, and then here in the Play Store you can get one option, Play Protect. Open it and then you need to scan the process. So it will scan and identify harmful app installed on your phone. So if the Play Protect show you some harmful app, you need to remove it from your phone. After following this step, your phone should stop opening random ads automatically. If this video helped you out, so please like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction. See you in the next video. Thank you.